Fix limited access Wi-Fi in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Use Ethernet or move your device closer to the modem/router. If you are using a wireless device such as a laptop or a tablet, you might put it in a place unreachable to the Wi-Fi network. Thus, try bringing your computer closer to the modem or router and see if that helps. Fix 2. Run network and internet connection troubleshooters. Fix 3. Update Windows. Fix 4. Change power management options. Untick the Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power option and click OK. Fix 5. Reset the internet connection. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 6. Change DNS settings. Preferred DNS server, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4. Click OK.